Let's see. What do you think? Where's that one? That's what looks like Chloe, right? How old is that? Oh my God, that looks like Chloe, or it looks like Luna.
Oh, that's Sunshine.
Sunshine. One of my. It looks. No, I'm asking my niece. Oh, look at the kids! A kit in heaven. My sister-in-law has a cat. Looks just like that.
Oh yeah.
The green one. Sorry.
Abby.
Oh, she's. I'm gonna step on a cat.
Oh no, it's all right. It wouldn't be the first time. And little ones like Abby here, they just love trying to get all around our legs and trying to trip us up.
Oh, are these two?
About 5 months old now.
Ooh. That looks just like Luna. I can't. Not with Juliette though. Oh.
She got a bad case of ringworm, and we had to separate her out from her siblings until that.
It's included with the adoption fee.
Juliette, say hi.
Very annoying to get rid of on these guys because the fur traps it on their skin.
Yeah. Kitten attacking Juliette. You're getting attacked by 100 kittens. Oh, now more coming. Now more coming.
Libby, are you playing? Oh, Sunshine, you want to play?
Oh my God, Juliette, you got 10 kittens around you. Oh. Oh, look at
Oh, Jeannie, you woke up.
Who's Jeannie?
Jeannie is the little gray and white tabby one right here.
That's a beautiful one.
She's another one that unfortunately.
She just wants to say hi.
Oh,
Yes. Yes. That's my girl.
Ever since she came back, we've been trying really, really hard to get her adopted again.
Oh, this one right here?
Effie is.
Oh, Effie, the one.
Yeah, that's Rufus. Believe it or not, he's actually.
Tell her about the cat. What is it? Oh my
She's
God.
she's almost like a Siamese, but where a Siamese would have black ears and a black tail, she has calico markings. So you see, like how she's got the black and the orange.
That one looks like Chloe. That looks like Grouch
Whoa.
face.
Oh yeah, that's Randy. She's another one with chronic grumpy face.
Grumpy. That's a grumpy face cat.
Who's in there?
Clay is part of a bonded pair.
Oh, so we can't take Clay. No, that one's missing an eye. Up there, right? If you look for this one's missing an eye.
That's Poppy.
We'll call him Pirate Poppy. If you come back here. Oh my goodness. So there's like another 50 cats in here.
Yeah, this is what we call our TLC area.
What does that mean?
This is like where, well, like when we first get a cat in, we'll keep them in one of our cages just for.
So what'd you think of your experience? You saw how many cats? A lot? You look a little shocked. Are you done? You still want a cat? Mm-hmm. Okay. What did you learn? Hold on a second.